Alright folks, pretty much we're in the process of removing this motor from off of this dryer. And you see what we did is to get this motor out, we went ahead on and put a pair of vice grips on the back of it to hold it against the floor. And from the front, you want to turn the motor this way. I'm looking at it from the back of the dryer. So you'll turn it pretty much like this. We already got it loose. And once you spin that all the way, see, this will come off right here. And now you should be able to look inside of there and see that you can just pull your motor through the back. You'll have these little clips on here. Alright, yeah, so basically now we're going to do is remove electrical connections. Pretty simple. Just come right here, pop up like that, and just unplug it like that. That'll come out. And then you'll have one little piece right here that kind of plugs on, little blue wire. We just wiggle it and do that. You then want to come right here, these little clamps I was telling you about, right over here. You just take your, I don't need these grips anymore. Right here, kind of with that little lip like that. Just kind of want to pop it up over that, like that. See how I'm doing? And once you pop it, you can take your other hand, kind of lift it up like that. I'm gonna show you what it is. See, this is what it is. It's going around it. There's a little metal piece, if you can see right here, that's pretty much going inside of that opening like that. It's like a little metal piece that's going in there. And the same thing on the other side. You just pop that off. You'll have one in the back, and also you'll have one that's right here. You can see you pop those two things off of there. And once you do that, you should be able to remove this motor from out of there. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.